What's going on, guys? So I've had this brand new Nintendo 64 sitting up in the closet for at least 10 years. There's a blizzard outside. Let's open it up. It's gonna be fucking awesome. Alright guys, here's what we're gonna open up. Brand new Nintendo 64 from about the year 2000, I believe. 3/20 of 2000. Nice. And then here's the games we're gonna open up. Majoras Mask. I don't know a lot of people that beat this game. I mean, I failed at it twice. Originally had it back in college and contributed to me leaving school. Then I played it on the 3DS and got stuffed on that too. So we're gonna beat it this time. I mean, game's brand new. And then we got the other 2000 game, Perfect Dark. Both require the expansion pack to play. So we got a new one of those too. Bam! So here's the back. This should be where the controllers are. Atomic purple controller. That's why I wanted to get this set, because it had the spare controller. And you know, new N64 controllers these days are like gold, so. Alright, here it freaking is, guys. Instructions, console, gray controller, power pack. All looks new to me. But there's only one way to find out. We're gonna have to get it hooked up. We can't half-ass unbox it though. Ooh. Wow. Cue Wesley Snipes.
It's pretty. It's so pretty. We go with Sizzler.
What's this thing right here? Alright, here's the controller. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Feels new there, folks. Nice. And the power brick. So, looks like this was new all those years ago that I got this. Nice. Official Nintendo power brick. Alright, we're good to go. But there's one more thing, there's one more thing that I got new. A boxed S-video cable for the Nintendo 64 from Japan. Nice. Alright, remove the jumper pack that it says not to remove. There we go. There we go. Memory upgrade. We're not done unboxing yet though. Got this pretty beat up Perfect Dark, but it's still new. Alright, new N64 game, 2024 edition. Nice. Now we got the big one. We got the big one. This was pricey, but I gotta beat this game. I just gotta. Isn't that right, Decker? So this is the collector's edition, so it should be gold cart on the inside. Just what I wanted. Some instructions. Nice and new. Where's the cart? Where's the cart? There it is. Boom. With the hologram. Sweet. All right, let's hook it up. Let's hook it up. Alright guys, here it is. Back in the year 2000 when I first started playing this, a friend of mine, Decker, was watching me play, and I could not climb this ladder to save my life. I kept falling off of it. And I turned to him and said, "Sorry, I'm stoned."
And that was it. That was Begbie's story.
And after that, well, the game was mine.